Good morning, everyone. Okay. How are you doing today? Okay. Thank you. And I like to say welcome back to our English class. Are you ready to learn today? Are you ready? Gak usah malu-malu, jawab aja. Yes. Are you ready? Nah, begitu. Okay. Actually, this is first time after holiday we meet again in our English class. Yeah. Okay. I would like to say welcome back. Okay. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, let us start with a prayer. Aulia, could you lead us? Please. Everyone stand up, pray. Well, before we start our class today, I'm going to ask you a few questions, okay? I will show the picture. You ready? Okay. First, this one. Look at the, okay? What do you have for breakfast this morning? What do you have for breakfast this morning? What does it mean? What does it mean? Kamu makan apa pagi ini? Kamu makan apa pagi ini? Ya. Ya? Makan apa pagi ini? Ica, makan apa pagi ini, Ica? What do you have for breakfast this morning? Ya?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng. How do you say nasi goreng in English? Fried rice. Okay. What about Betran? What do you have for breakfast this morning? Ya? You didn't have breakfast this morning. Makan nggak pagi ini? Ya. What do you have for breakfast? Rice. Okay. You say rice in English. Okay. Anyone? What about Amel? What do you have for breakfast this morning, Amel? Nasi goreng, fried rice. Anyone else? What about Teddy? What do you have for breakfast this morning? Oh, you didn't have breakfast this morning, yeah? Yeah, okay. What about Danis? What do you have for breakfast this morning? Snack, okay. Anyone who drink coffee this morning? Or milk? Susu? Or tea? Anyone? No? I like the most. What is your favorite food? Rainer, what is your favorite food, Rainer? Mie ayam, okay. Noodles, okay. Chicken noodles, okay. What about Jessica? Jessica, I mean Ellen. Ellen, what is your favorite food, Ellen? Nasi kuning, okay. Nasi kuning ya, okay. Do you know the ingredients? Kalau fried chicken, what is the ingredients? Okay, flour, okay, of course, flour, tepung. Apalagi, what else? Chicken, of course. It is the main ingredients. Utamanya itu adalah chicken. Ya, okay, very good. What about recipe? Have you ever heard about recipe? Anyone familiar with this word recipe? Yeah, recipe, resep. You know, recipe.
First of all, these are the ingredients. I have 6 slices of bread.
After you watching the video, can you tell me, anyone, can you tell me what is the video about? Anyone? Anyone have any idea? You have. Anyone know what is the video about? Yes?
About to make sandwich.
Okay, about how?
How to make sandwich.
Okay, how to make sandwich. Very good. How to make sandwich. Okay. And then, can you mention the ingredient mentioned in the picture? Ingredients. Apa tadi ingredients? Ya, bahan-bahan. Bisa nggak? Can you mention the ingredients? Ingredients in the video. Bread. Okay. Bread. Yeah, they say it. Bread. Okay. Bread. And cheese. Okay. Anyone? Ya? Chili sauce. Okay. Chili sauce. Siapa tadi di sini? Ya. What else? Tomato. Okay. Very good. Can you mention one step? Just one step that you get from the video. Just one step. Step itu apa? Step. Langkah. Langkah. Steps itu artinya langkah atau metode nih. Metode ya. Kamu nggak kira-kira kalimat apa sih yang menggambarkan langkah di situ? Satu contoh aja kira-kira dalam in English. How do you say in English? Answer it in English. Can you answer it? Yeah.
Put in the mayonnaise.
Put the mayonnaise. Okay, very good. Put the mayonnaise. What the video? Can you imagine what kind of material that we are going to learn today? Do you have? Berdasarkan video tadi, kira-kira agak kamu menggambarkan kira-kira materi kita hari ini apa? Procedure text. Okay, very good. Okay, ya. Okay, now we jump on to our learning objective. Tujuan pembelajaran. Apa sih tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini? Kita identify structure, vocabulary, and expression used in recipe text. Jadi kita hari ini akan mempelajari kita akan supaya setelah pembelajaran ini selesai, siswa diharapkan you can able to identify, mengidentifikasi struktur, vocabulary. Apa vocabulary in English? Kosakata dan ekspresi yang digunakan dalam text prosedur, especially recipe text. Next, analyze differences between several recipe text, purpose, audience, ya begitu ya. Nah, jadi yang terakhir, create and present a recipe text. Jadi setelah belajar ini diharapkan the student able to create, ya, create a simple procedure text, ya. Sekarang kita akan masuk ke what is procedure text. Nah, what is the procedure text? Kalau bahasa Indonesia itu apa? Prosedur? Procedure text. What is procedure text? Adalah text is used to explain how to make or to do something. Refleksinya kamu supaya saya mau melihat kira-kira perlu tindakan apa selanjutnya, prosesnya seperti apa selanjutnya, bagaimana yang tersulit? Penggunaan untuk struktur kebahasaannya ya. Oke. Okay. What else? Saya buat video. Oke, terus bagaimana yang tersulit tadi? Untuk unsur kebahasaannya, untuk bahasanya ya, itu sulit bagian-bagian untuk menentukan mana yang imperatif, adverb dan segala macam itu sulit ya. Yang paling mudah menurut kalian yang paling mudah yang mana?
Bagian apa nih?
Ingredients yang paling mudah tuh vocabulary about the ingredients ya. Oke, excellent. Untuk kesimpulan pelajaran kita hari ini apa? Kita sudah mempelajari apa tadi? Text? Apa itu text procedure? Ya? Oke. Text procedure is how to explain, to make something step by step. Struktur itu ada 3. Yang pertama, goal, material, and apa tadi? Goal, material, and step atau method, ya. Oke, jadi untuk selanjutnya, don't forget to practice ya. Don't forget to practice. Jadi seperti masakan tuh, semakin banyak kamu berlatih, semakin banyak kamu mencoba, makanannya tuh akan semakin enak. Ini untuk kesimpulan pelajaran kita hari ini apa? Kita sudah mempelajari apa tadi? Text apa itu text procedure? Text procedure is how to explain, to make something step by step. Struktur itu ada 3. Yang pertama, goal, material, and apa tadi? Goal, material, and step atau method. I think that's it for today. Thank you for your participation and attention for today. And thank you and see you in the next meeting. Okay? Thank you. Good morning. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.